Promise is a comfort to a fool, but the newly elected mayor of St. Thomas, His Worship Louis Chin, proved that it is not so. During his campaign for the election, he promised persons, residents in Rice Peace that he's going to fix the health center whenever he got elected as the councillor. And so he kept his promise by going back there to help to repair the health center along with his team. So this is the newly elected mayor of St. Thomas working already to help the people in his constituency.
I mean, I drive just an bikini. Rude. No, sir. No, sir. I never say no.
Take yourself with all the green bucky.
No, but I can make one step and go to the wall are too high now.
Why the below outside? No wall off the center from the field?
No, if you dump it. Yeah.
Oh, if you dump the field? You dump the field, yeah. I am Denver Howell, the businessman from Morant Bay. I'm here today in partnership with the government in enhancing the health center in Hagley's Gap. It has long been out of service, and so today, in conjunction with people from the St. Thomas Health Department namely Mrs. Wright, Ms. Brown, and the mayor. We are here to move Hagley's Gap to a different level. The center has been out for a while. And so I am happy, I am proud today to be part of the production in moving Hagley's Gap to a different dimension. These people no longer have to go all the way to Morant Bay to access healthcare. And we have to give thanks to the Father up above for vision. And so I can say again, once again, thank you to all involved.
Louis Chin, Mayor for Morant Bay, Councillor for the Cedar Valley Division. In my campaign, I promised the people of Hagley's Gap to reopen the health center. Now I'm here to see that the health center reopen so everybody can come to the health center. Their cry was to travel from Hagley's Gap to Morant Bay, from Hagley's Gap to Papine. The road was so terrible, the transportation was expensive. So I promised them, so I come back to deliver and see that the Hagley's Gap Community Center open in the health center again.
Where can I stand inside? Yep. You want two? Me, you want two? You want two supply? You want two water supply?
Card is here, so you look like it provide to the center here.
Up at the top.
Yeah, this
And then the clinic water different.
card is center you have the field now.
This okay.
Yes, my name is Roy Melbourne, Reverend Roy Melbourne, Minister of the Gospel, pastoral duty at the Hagley Gap Forces Gospel Church. I am a community person, but a part of all these community projects. And we are very, very happy that the clinic here will reopen on a better standard. Because people have to go to Morant Bay or Cedar Valley, have to go to town or Papine to get attendance concerning medical. And this would be a real facelift for the community. And I think the community will be very, very happy because I am a part of this project from way down. Although I'm getting aged now and sort of retire out of them, but we are very happy to see it coming now, and I want to thank the mayor very much for bringing this project on stream now, so that the people can get more ease.
How long roughly how long it was closed? A year, 2 years, 3 years?
Yes, about 3 years now. About 3 years now, because the person that used to run it, she live in America, so is now and again she come down and just open it up for maybe a few weeks and gone back again. So people now still have to go a good distance to get attendance.
Yeah. My name is Rowan Reed, and we are in the Cedar Valley Division, to be exact, in the community of Grass Peace. And this is the restoration of a health center and so forth. To be honest with you, it's a good feeling to know that my community will now have a proper health shelter and so forth. You know, we used to have to travel to over by St. Andrew or by Marant Bay. So it's a very good feeling now to know that health will be here, close to the citizen, my community and so forth. It's a good feeling. And, you know, I must say give thanks to Shine and the team. The mayor of Marant Bay in the parish of St. Thomas. I must say big respect, you know. It's a joy and a good feeling. It's not even 3 weeks since you have been swearing and the beginning. This is the beginning of something great. You know, I just hope he keep it up. He came and he saw our needs and he have started somewhere. So, you know, we have to give him that support.
That does one fix up here. She's a sheet with the top.
It open? The top right open?
Look around the other side and see it. Where you can't pass road, they say, you know.
Where is it? The top right open? Can you see it? Hope so. So what if you abandon this so you get a black?
Let me show you, Meta. When you saw the deeper part, let me show you.
Wow, that's so kind of kitchen. And the little part in there.
Our trees are going to be open. That's right.
So you come tomorrow, right?
You have to show the condition how it's stayed before and then you show it after when you come back.
My name is Derek McPherson, and I'm at the Hagley Community Center, and I'm so excited and happy to know that they are renovating it up, because you have a lot of old people in the community, and sometimes they can't get any transportation to take them to the doctor. And some, when they do get one, they have to pay like $10,000, $5,000 to take them to Marant Bay or Mavis Bank. So I'm happy for it. And I know other people in the community are glad.
Sorry, sir, yeah. Sorry, sir. All right, look, see that? Check and see what I want. Look, see that I find this up. So it means the water did up.
And then washing machine.
And washing machine is inside here, so it means
Come up, where
come here, so. That's the final. Yeah, go look on the side there. That means the water that come here.
Yeah, yeah, close. Everyone is the center with it. We are set up Aaron and the center, the original boss.
My name is Pinchy Vasquez Gilby, you know. I live in a pin farm at this Gap Center Mass. And I so glad and thank God this clinic helped me. Because sometimes we don't have the money to pay, we go a doctor, you know, much less we go pay a doctor, you know. So we must glad say the clinic down here helped me that baby mother can come to the 6-week clinic, 3-month clinic, and we know we can come a doctor, test up with heart and everything. We don't have to pay one big money if we go down a UC and pay one big money down in a UC. We have to thank God. Say this clinic here how open.
About how much money taxi man charge?
Well, from over here to Adlis, from over here to Montreal, it's $500. $250 go down a Papine, and you know, say, down a UC, a 2.5, and you have to take X-ray, and we go a lot of them places, if you check all your neck and them places, $4,500. If you do that, and you know, my son crashed off a bike and we went down there Sunday in the day and come up back Sunday night and a $15,000. 1.5 hour. So if you don't have your money, you can't go to UC. And you can go down a public, but down a public, down a free. But some of the tests you have to pay money down. So I'm still glad. Cause me I tell you, say, we live here, but some of the people them poor. Some of them don't have it to go down a UC. Now, if we short of 1 week at 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, some of we don't have it. So we still glad this open. If doctor here, we can just run come here. If I UC, well, and them can't manage them, we say, well, came to UC. You understand? But from them can't manage it, them I go have them whole heap of equipment to do them things. So God bless something I go on in the area. At least gap can't look like at least gap every time. So we can't have no nice, nothing in a community. Everything we have to say town. Man be a town. We can't do that. In a gap must can have something to clean up the gap and make the gap look good. And we are with doctor, we are with nurse, we are with dentist. Because one of the man tell me say, me having dentist just graduate with here. So chewing having dentist just graduate with here, and that we want. Because enough people here have teeth to take out right now. And sometimes they can't go out and just run come down here and take out them teeth, up back at them home. So we're glad for that. I'm glad the community are beloved. Yeah, man, respect, man, we're glad for that. So the community are beloved, and we all so glad.
Hey, what on you know? We not take it out?
Imagine if you ask me. You see a pipeline over the water. You don't know where the water around you want some of this.
You don't see me no valley.
There's some brush there, like when you roll it, you just use the brush and
Where one brush? You want one part to be in the water, one to let it out. Yeah. What am I going to do? None of them are going to find a tank. None of them are there.
Peter, I look out it.
Yeah, pick up. Here, look, right? If anything you don't measure up, I will just come back up and just run them on the wall. Yeah. And you have enough, you must have enough fire. To get some fire, no?
Mind your back, sir.
I've only got anything.
Good. This come out. Yeah, what was
The pipe, I'll go through the for now. Yeah, man, make the pipe. Yeah, man, yes, you can come out. You want to water when it's free. You want to start in the church, you water. Yes, agree. Coffee them and water too.
Alright, see, man, see. Right, I hold it back to my hold it at water. When me down here, no one else. Never have water.
Yeah, so we can.
My anchor fall, though my ship is fast. This was where the Blue Mountain project was. So then no more. So we're gonna use it for the clinic now at the gap. Here.
Inside for the children and get them after work. School work, you know.
Every man know.
Tell them something we have to go and tell everybody.
Man know.
And then you tell me.
Every the whole of them know. So nobody not tell me say them.
My heart can sing.
Them are the first man we tell. That's why we come and get them are the first man we tell. In Germany. In Germany, all of them that see the generation, you go to tell them, they want to post them in a white, but they say they cannot talk in a crowd.
Open the door now.
Okay, you can open it. You can't catch it now.
Nice to meet you.
Pinchy.
Peachy, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Okay,
Hello, brother.
it's alright. Daniel.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Daniel.
Now, who want me to call
Okay,
you?
we're all
Something
in
like that.
co-worker in Daniel, yeah? Okay.
But it's not good. No, probably good. Don't show it up.
What?